Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fire hand effect on CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC, and here I have created a video project as well, and we're going to add a fire hand effect to this video. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the effect option, then we're going to tap on the body effect. And then there will be some categories for us, and we have to select the glowing lines. Tap on the glowing lines. Then if you want to create a fire hat effect, you can select the flame tails. It's over here. Then you have to download the effect first before you use the effect. After the effect has been downloaded, you can drag the effect to your video. Okay, and now the effect has been applied to the video, and I'm going to play it to take a look at the result. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to the previous section. And alright guys, and that's how we can create a fire hand effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.